Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can change the static title into a dynamic title. Whenever I'm selecting any material I want, the title should be changed. So how we can do that? We need to create one new measure and I'm just naming it dynamic title, and title should be like monthly trend of, then we need our material here. So for that what we need to select, we need to select selected value, and then we need to add our slicer, which is our material. So now you can see our measure is ready. Now we need to select our graph and go to a general. Here we have a title and we have to add our condition formatting. Here we need to add our dynamic title. You can see. Now just see the magic. Monthly trend of fatty core. If I'm just speaking the static, then you can see our visual title is changed. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video.